Hey guys, it's me again, Francine. Today I'll be asking a student if they can allow me to join in their daily life.
Hi, excuse me. Hello po. Anong course mo?
ABS Accountancy.
Pwede ka bang ma-interview?
Sige po.
What's your name?
I'm Alexa Isabel.
Saan ka pupunta?
Sa library po sana to study.
Would you mind if I join you in your day as a BSA student? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to a day in Alexa's life as a BSA student.
So first, why did you choose Bicol University?
I chose Bicol University because as a scholar, my parents were desperate in tuition fees, and they are assured that I can study in a university that will help me build my character and train me to remain hardworking and disciplined.
Since second year ka, you entered BA grade 5 right? How was that?
Mahirap. No entrance test was administered because of COVID-19 restrictions. Their mode of learning was online, kaya kailangan talaga mag-adjust.
How did you cope during those times?
Most of the lessons I had to study by myself and in advance in order to keep up in class. And it strengthened my discipline and independence.
What's the common misconception about accountancy students?
People say it's all about math. Tanong nila kung magaling raw ba kami sa math and numbers.
What's the truth about that misconception?
Well, it's partly true naman, pero it's more on analysis and comprehension.
What is your college department?
The Department of Accountancy is in the College of Business, Economics and Management, located in Daraga campus.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how hard is accountancy?
11.
Why?
As per our department policy, we have to maintain a minimum grade of 2.4 in our major subjects in order to advance to PhD.
Can you tell us more about this retention process?
In case we fail to reach the retention grade, we have to take and pass the comprehensive examination. Otherwise, we have to retake the subject.
Na-experience mo na ba?
Comprehensive examination? Oo naman.
Kasi naman.
Medyo frustrating, pero next question na lang. But jokes aside, I was urged to study harder than before. So in a way, it was a good thing.
Okay, let's move on. What can you say about your professors?
Some of them are strict and thorough when it comes to our performances in exams and class. They are very open and often encourages us through their motivational words and experiences. I also feel that they just want to give us proper training and discipline to study more, to be diligent and to make.
Anong qualities ang dapat meron ang isang BSA student?
I think this applies to all students naman, but it is important to have determination, perseverance, and courage to remain in this program. Why did you pursue this course? Simple lang naman. I wanted to fulfill my lifelong dream of being an accountant.
Have you ever thought of shifting to another program?
No, because I have goals and dreams, and such sacrifices will all be worth it. Besides, I have my friends and family.
Since you mentioned family and friends, how were they able to support you?
My family understands the hardships that I go through. They encourage me in whatever path that I take. During my sleepless nights, reading long chapters of discussions, confusions when solving complex problems, difficulties preparing for exams, and worries during recitations, my friends are the ones who help me get through. Together we learn and support each other. Share the pain and pleasure of being an accountant student.
Yeah! That's what friends are for. Di ba may pasok pa pagkatapos natin dito?
Ay, oo nga pala.
Thank you so much, Alexa, for being with me today and sharing a glimpse of your experiences in student life. Alam kong marami ka pang dapat aralin at dapat resolve the problems.
The pleasure is mine. I hope this video provides a general idea of the accounting course at Bicol University College of Business, Economics and Management, and encourage students who want to take the same course.
It is already a given that the accountancy course is not a walk in the park, but just as Booker T. Washington has said, success is to be measured not so much by the position that one has reached in life as by the obstacles which he has overcome. I'll see you soon, future CPA. It has been Francine
And Alexa.
Thank you for watching. Bye everyone!